Hello, my name is Chris Perkin. I'm the CEO of Altasciences, and I have some exciting news to share with you. Altasciences has acquired Alliance Contract Pharma, a CDMO based in Philadelphia that offers manufacturing and analytical services, including formulation development and stability testing from phase 1 through commercial manufacturing. This addition to our company is the next logical step in our growth strategy, which is to provide and integrate all the services needed to take your drug from lead candidate selection to proof of concept. With Altasciences, you can select one service or a suite of services. Our goal is to make the drug development process easier and more efficient for you to save you both time and money. In addition to manufacturing and formulation, we continue to offer preclinical safety testing, clinical pharmacology trials, bioanalytical services, and the full array of support services. At Altasciences, you can expect to be treated like a colleague. We are one team. We move in unison to help you bring better drugs to the people who need them faster.